Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. So in this video we'll be dealing with symbols and explanations part 2. In my previous video I have explained you the basics of symbols and explanations, and in this video we'll see some more examples related to it. Okay, so let's get into a video. So this is the family tree diagram, and from seeing this family tree we need to answer these questions. Okay, so before answering these questions we need to analyze this family tree diagram, and after that we will be solving those questions. Okay, so see, here we have a square and a circle, right? So in between them we have two arrows, right? A top arrow, a sidewards arrows, right? So this A and B are married, and this B is having a sister who is E, and this A is having a father who is D, and this A and B are having a child who is C, right? Okay, next questions. A to B, we need to see the relation of B with respect to A. We need to see from A to B. Okay, so from A to B. As I said, A and B are in husband and wife relationship. So this male will call B, who is a female, as a wife, right? Right? So answer is wife. Next, we need to see from B to A. From B, we need to see to A. Right? So this B will call A as husband, right? So husband. Next, we need to see from E to A. This E to A. So this E is having a sister who is B, right? So this B is married to a guy who is A. So this E need to call his sister's husband. Sister's husband. Okay. So it's a male, right? So it will be brother. As a family relation is involved, it will be in-law. So this E will call A as brother-in-law. Next, D to C. From D we need to C to C, right? So this D is having a son who is A. This A is having a son who is C, right? So this D need to call his son's son as grandson, right? Okay, so answer is grandson. We need to see from C to D, right? So this C is having a father who is A, and this A is having a father who is D, right? So this A is 0 generation, this C is -1 generation, this D is first generation, right? So this C need to call his father's father as grandfather, right? So answer will be grandfather. Grandfather. Okay, so we have another family tree, and we need to analyze this family tree first. Okay, so see, this X and Y are in brother and sister relationship, right? So this symbol represents same generation, and this Y is having a son and a daughter who is B. Okay, this Y is having a mother who is T, right? Fine. Next, we need to see from X to A, right? From X we need to see to A, right? So this X is having a sister who is Y. His sister is having a son, right? So this X will call his sister's son who is a male as nephew. Okay, so answer is nephew. We need to see from X to B, right? From X to B. As we seen in the previous question, his sister's daughter. His sister's daughter is a niece. Okay, niece. We need to see from A to B. So A to B. A to B are in same generation. So this A is a male and this B is a female. This A will call B as sister, right? So sister. We need to see from T to B. From T to B, right? So this T is having a daughter who is Y. So his daughter's daughter, right? So this T will call his daughter's daughter as granddaughter. Okay, so granddaughter. Okay, we'll see one more question. So first we need to analyze it. After that we need to solve these questions, right? So we have two married couples over here. U and V are one married couple. T and S are one married couple. Okay, so this E is having a father and mother who is T and S. This S is having a brother who is Y. So these both have a child, but we don't know whether this is a male or female, but they have a child, right? So this down arrow represents -1 generation. Son, daughter, cousin, right? So see, yes to Y. We need to see from yes to Y. Yes to Y. So S is a female, Y is a male, and they are in same generation. So this S will call this Y as brother, right? So brother. Need to see from U to Y. This U is having a father and mother. His mother is having a brother, right? So this U's mother's brother, right? So we will call Y as uncle. So this U will call his mother's brother as uncle. We need to see from C to Y, right? From C to Y. So the C is having a father who is E. The C is having a father who is U. This U is having a father and mother, right? His mother is having a brother. So the C need to call his father's mother's brother as grand uncle, right? So S will call, C will call S as grandmother, right? So grandmother's brother as grand uncle. Okay, this is one of the important questions. So grand uncle. We need to see from S to V, from S to V, right? So U is having a father and mother. So this mother need to call his son's wife as daughter-in-law. So this S will call V as daughter-in-law. Next, U to C. From U we need to C to C, right? So as I said, this is -1 generation, but we don't know whether it is a male or female. So this U will call the C as either a son or a daughter. Either a son or a daughter. Okay. So this is one of the important questions. Okay. Hope you guys understood this. Comment in the comment section and stay tuned for next videos. Thank you guys.